Very good evening to all. Hello students. Today we will start subject and predicate. Every sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. How we will understood what is subject and what is predicate. The easiest way is the subject keeps the answer of these two questions. Who, what, and predicate contains verb as well as what the subject is doing. This is the easiest way to understand subject and predicate. Let us look into example. Okay. Now, parts of sentence. Okay. Every sentence has two parts, the subject, the predicate. The person or thing about which something is said is called the subject. The remaining part of the sentence is called the predicate. Okay, study the following table. These are all subjects, these are all predicate. Okay, now first I want to tell about identify the verb, ask the question who or what before the verb. Answer of the question gives the subject. Okay, let us see which one is subject and predicate. Okay va? So all sentence have two parts. The subject of a sentence tells you about the person, animal, place or thing being spoken of. For example, the frog caught a fly. Okay va? So the predicate of a sentence tells you something more about the subject. The predicate always has a verb. Example, the frog caught a fly. Okay va? Here I want to show the subject and predicate. Now listen here. Hari sang a song. So how we will understood what is subject and what is predicate? The easiest way is the subject keeps the answer of this two questions, who and what. Okay, and predicate contains verb as well as what the subject is doing. Okay, this is the easiest way to understand subject and predicate. Okay children, now listen. In this sentence, Hari sang a song. Okay va? How we will understood what is subject? So Hari is a subject. Hari sang a song. Okay, this is predicate. Okay, Hari is a subject, sang a song. Okay va? Now the predicate of a sentence tells you something more about the subject. Okay va? So the predicate always has a verb. Okay, in this sentence, which one is verb from this sentence? Hari is a subject, sang a song. Sing present tense, sang past tense. Okay va? So these are all past tense. Okay va? So the predicate of a sentence tells you something more about the subject. Okay va? The predicate always has a verb. Okay va? How we will understood what is subject? So Hari is a subject. Okay va? Hari sang a song. So who sang a song? The subject keeps the answer of this two questions. Okay va? Who and what? Okay va? Hari, who and what? Okay va? Hari, who sang a song? Hari sang a song. Okay va? So are you understood? Hari is a subject, sang a song is a predicate. Okay, the predicate of a sentence tells you something more about the subject. Okay va? the predicate always as a verb. From the sentence sang. Sang is a past form of verb. Okay va? So are you understood? So in this sentence, who sang a song? Hari sang a song. Okay va? The subject keeps the answer of these two questions, who and what. Are you understood, children? Okay. Then the story. This story is very interesting. Okay va? This story is a subject. Okay, is very interesting is a predicate. So how we will understood what is subject and what is predicate? So in this sentence, this story is a subject. Okay va? Is very interesting is a predicate. Okay va? So the predicate always as a verb. From this sentence, is a singular present tense be form of verb. Okay va? So how we will understood what is subject and predicate? Okay, the easiest way is the subject is keeps the answer of this two questions, who and what. Okay, and predicate contains verb as well as what the subject is doing. Okay, this is the easiest way to understand subject and predicate. Okay, children. Okay, then honesty. Honesty is the best policy. From this sentence, honesty is the subject. Okay va? Is the best policy. Okay va? Honesty. Okay va? Which one? What? Honesty is a subject. Is the best policy is the predicate. So how we will understood which one is predicate from this sentence? The predicate always has a verb. Already I told you, honesty is a subject, is a verb. So if you found any verb from this sentence, you can divide it into two parts, subject and predicate. Okay va? Do you understood? So the next one is boys and girls. Okay, from this sentence, boys and girls are playing in the park. Okay va? Boys and girls are playing in the park. Okay va? Who are playing in the park? How we will understood what is the subject and what is predicate? The easiest way is the subject keeps the answer of these two questions, who and what. Okay, from this sentence, boys and girls are playing in the park. Who are playing in the park? Boys and girls. Are you clear? So these boys and girls are subject. Okay va? From this sentence, are playing in the park. How we will understood which one is predicate? Okay va? The predicate always as a verb. Are you clear, children? So from this sentence, boys and girls are plural. Okay va? So if the subject is plural, the verb also plural. So are, this is present form of be form of verb, plural. Okay va? Or playing in the park, the predicate always has a verb. So are you understood how we will understood the subject and the predicate? Okay, are you clear, children? Okay, then the next one, our soldiers defeated the enemy. Our soldiers. Okay va? Our soldiers is a subject. Okay va? Defeated the enemy is a predicate. Okay va? Our soldiers defeated the enemy. Our soldiers na subject. Okay va? Our soldiers subject defeated the enemy. Who defeated the enemy? Our soldiers. Are you understood? The subject keeps the answer of this two questions, who, what, and the predicate contains verb as well as what the subject is doing. Okay, this is the easiest way to understand subject and predicate. Do you understood, children? Okay, then I am going to next one. The predicate can be divided into two parts. Okay va? So this predicate can be divided into two parts, the verb and the complement. Okay children, study the following table: subject, verb, predicate. Okay, subject, predicate, verb, complement. Okay va? Radha will sing a song. from this sentence, Radha is a subject, will sing is a verb, a song is a complement. A complement tells about the subject. Okay va? So Radha, from this sentence, Radha is a singular noun, will sing is a simple future tense. Okay, a song. What action is done from this sentence? Sing a song. Okay children? Okay. Then the next one is a book. A book is a subject. Okay va? Is lying on the table. Okay va? What is lying on the table? A book. Okay va? Do you understood what is predicate? The easiest way is subjects. The subject gives the answer of these two questions, who and what. Are you clear? A book is lying on the table. A book is a subject, is lying is a verb, on the table is a complement. Are you clear? Okay. They have finished their work. Okay, they, third person plural. Okay va? This is subject, have finished. So if the subject is plural, the verb also plural. Have is a plural present tense. Okay va? They have finished. Okay va? They have finished their work. Okay va? Their work is a complement. The complement tells about the subject. Okay va? So birds were sitting in their nest. Birds were sitting in the nest. Birds plural subject. Okay va? So if the subject is plural, the verb also plural. Okay va? This is were sitting is a past continuous tense. Okay va? Birds were sitting in their nests. Okay va? So bird subject were sitting is a past form of verb, past tense, past continuous tense. In the nest is a complement. The complement tells about the subject. Good students obey their students. Okay, from this sentence, good students is a subject, plural noun, obey is a verb, their teachers is a complement. Are you clear children? Okay, now I am going to show the book exercise. Look here. Okay, so name the subject and the predicate parts in the following sentence. Already I have divided two parts. Okay, which one is subject and the predicate? Already I have taught you. You see the book exercise and you can which one is subject and the predicate, you have to divide it into two parts. Okay children? Okay, then note the point. Subject. The subject of the sentence is what or whom. The sentence is about. Predicate. A predicate is a part of the sentence that tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is. Okay ma'am? I am going to finish this lesson. Now I hope you have understood it nicely. Have a nice day. Thank you.